In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a booking link in Practice Better. If you're ready to accept appointments online, the quickest way is to share a direct booking link. Practice Better makes this simple with two types of links: a default booking page that showcases all your public services, and a direct link for a specific service when you want clients to book one offering right away. I'll show you both so you can choose what fits your workflow. Let's start with the all-purpose option. In your Practice Better account, click the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. From there, select Share My Link. On the page that opens, you'll see a section called Public Bookings Pages. This is where Practice Better displays your default booking page link. Copy that link. This URL leads clients to a central page where they can browse your available services, check your real-time availability based on your calendar, and pick a time that works for them. It's a great option if you want to give clients the freedom to choose from everything you offer. You can paste this link into your website, social media bio, email signature, or anywhere else you communicate with clients. If there's a copy icon next to the link, use it. Otherwise, highlight the URL and copy it manually. Now, if you prefer to send clients straight to one specific service, perfect for promotions, packages, or focused offerings, you can grab a direct link to that service. Go to My Practice, then My Services. Find the service you want to share, click the three dots beside it, and choose Share Link. Practice Better will display a unique URL for that service. Copy that link and share it just like before. When clients click it, they'll land on the booking flow for that exact service, which reduces friction and helps them book faster. If a service isn't set to be bookable online, this link won't be useful to clients, so make sure the service is available to the public. A few quick tips to finish up. After copying any link, paste it into a new browser tab, or even an incognito window, to preview exactly what clients will see. Keep your favorite link handy in your email templates and messages so you're not searching for it each time. If you later rename or update a service, revisit My Services to confirm the link still reflects what you want to share. And if you introduce a new offering, remember to grab its unique link as well. To recap, your default booking page is under Settings, then Share My Link in the Public Bookings Pages section. For a single service, go to My Practice, My Services, click the three dots next to the service, choose Share Link, and copy the URL. That's it, easy, clear, and ready to share.